In today's video, let's quickly talk about how to search by location inside of Wellfound. Welcome back everyone to a new guide video on how Genic. If you're trying to apply for jobs in certain situation, Wellfound does have a separate section where you can add in the exact location. So make sure that you visit the jobs page and then add in your job title. And along with the job title, you'll have the option of adding in the location. If you click on this drop down menu, you'll have three options: no remote jobs, include remote jobs, and only remote jobs option. If you're someone that is trying to find on-site applications or on-site jobs, then make sure that no remote job option is selected. And right here, you'll have the option of adding in your location. Once you add in these filters, you'll be able to see all of these jobs that match your search. So using this method, you'll be able to find different companies and different job postings that you can apply to. You can also visit the company profile and take a look at all of the details of the companies. That is exactly how you search by location inside of Wellfound. If this short tutorial video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.